Hello YouTube. Welcome to your channel EarningTrend. The reason to make this channel is to show you how to make money online, either as free or investment. We teach you online legit method. We just hate scam, scammers, and spam. Please subscribe us to get our daily updates. Warm regards from our
Hello friends, in today's video I will show you unique way to earn Ethereum, link on description. Let's start this.
You may not know this, but the video you're watching now is just one of almost 5 billion videos being watched every single day by hundreds of millions of people all over the world. Thanks to advertising revenue, we're looking at an online video industry worth hundreds of billions of dollars. But here's what we don't like. As a viewer, you don't get to see a single cent of that. As a publisher, you get a tiny portion of revenue. As an advertiser, you're exposed to unconfirmed views statistics and high commissions. And all of this is happening while traditional video sharing platforms retain up to 60% of your revenue. Viuly's goal is to change all that. Viuly is a decentralized video sharing platform that wants to reward all participants in the video sharing blockchain-based economy. Users get paid to watch, content creators earn more for their work, advertisers get improved market penetration for a fraction of the price. The Viuly platform will be powered by the Earc20 token, used to transfer value between advertisers, content creators, users and people supporting the Viuly network. Developed by a veteran team of experts in corporate management, blockchain technology, marketing industry, and fintech advisory, Viuly promises to revolutionize the online sharing industry. Want a sneak peek? Sign up at viuly.io and get rewarded with 50 Earc20 tokens. Upload a video and get 100 more Earc20 tokens. Invite friends and get 50 Earc20 tokens per person you refer. And now, you have the chance to claim your free stake in the future of online video. Mass adoption requires wide distribution. That's why 70% of all Earc20 tokens are to be distributed for free.
So as you can see, the market capitalization is now $724,980 and it's growing, and you can get 50 free token after registration. You can exchange Viuly token in BitZ exchange, link on description, or direct withdraw to Ethereum. This is easy interface and good volume exchange. So register in website and get free 50 token. After registration, confirm your email. So first you need to complete your profile and category. After that, save your profile details. Now you can upload your cover photo and profile photo and give the title and description to your channel. So now our channel is created and you can upload videos. You can see our free 50 tokens as credit. And you can withdraw at any time. Withdraw take up to 5 business day. You can increase the tokens while watching other channel videos. So uploading and viewing video is need to earn free token. Please subscribe us to get our daily updates and hit like for video.